23,000 year hurricane season. So first, let's start off with category 1 Alice. So here's tropical depression, and then it's a tropical storm, then it's a category 1 once it makes landfall. Then a tropical storm again, and then tropical depression, and then just a roommate, then just a roommate. Next, we're seeing tropical storm Valpo. So tropical depression 2, and then tropical depression 2, and then tropical storm Valpo, and then back to tropical depression. And then there is Carson, subtropical storm Carson. So first there is a tiny subtropical depression that goes into Billy. And then it's a subtropical storm, then going north into Cancun, and then back to a subtropical depression. Now, Dylan, which was a category 1. Wait, let me go through Alice's lifespan. So, it was 40 deaths, $1.4 million in damages, and winds reached 66 miles per hour. For Valpo, it only did 3 deaths, $65,472, and its winds were 46 miles per hour. Now let's go on to Carson. It was a subtropical storm. Carson was only reaching 41 miles per hour, and it caused zero deaths and $46,000. And winds reached 46 miles per hour. So next we have Declan. What? Okay. Which is a tropical depression. And then it's a tropical storm just going through the Indies Islands. And then it's a category 1 as it approaches Puerto Rico. Then it's a tropical storm going into Haitian areas and Dominican Republic. And then it's a subtropical storm going out into the Atlantic, and then it's a extropical storm going into Havana and up to Tampa. Bye-bye.